star. Okay, let's start. Can you read this one?
Mom went to shop.
Very good. Mom went to shop. 2 boxes for you. Next, read this one.
Mom went to shop for fish.
Very good. Mom went to shop for fish. Write the rocket. Okay, next, read this one.
I went with Mom
I went with Mom. Another 2 boxes for Zahra. Can you read this, Zahra?
at the shop. There were
There.
a
Again, how do we
lot
read this word?
were
Hmm?
were
Were. Not a. How do we read this word? Hmm? Hmm? Zahra, dah lupa dah. Zahra,
lot of fish.
Very good. At the shop, there were a lot of fish. Okay, another 2 boxes. Can you read this one?
There were
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
lot of shellfish too.
Very good. There were a lot of shellfish too. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
There were giraffes
Hey, what sound
and
is this? Hmm? English. So how do we read this?
crabs
Crabs
and
and
clams.
clams. Very good. There were crabs and clams. Another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, next. Can you read this one?
Mom got some
Right? Mom got
some
some.
some
Mm-hmm.
fresh fish.
Very good. Mom got some fresh fish. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Okay, next. Can you read this one?
Mom got some fresh fish for pet the cat.
Very good. Mom got some fresh fish for Pat the cat. Write the rocket. Okay, next one. Can you read this one?
Pet the cat likes fresh fish.
Pat the cat likes fresh fish. Okay, you reached the star. Good job. You've won